So today is Monday, it's already 3 p.m. and I woke up around 10. I did my morning yoga, I did my breakfast, I learned a little bit Turkish. It was pretty productive morning and now I want to go outside to drive some bicycle because today is the first sunny day in maybe 1 week. It was all rainy before, so I don't want to miss this nice weather. I'm planning to go to the seaside to some park. There is some nice area with tables, wooden tables and benches. It's pretty nice and cozy place and I like coming there from time to time. And today I want to work on my content plan and maybe to write some script about photography. I'm planning to create series of tutorials about portrait photography. For those who doesn't know, I'm a photographer and a teacher and I've been doing this around 14 years, so I have really many things to share. And let me know please in the comment if you're interested in this type of content about photography. And if you are interested, you can ask me in the comments any questions about photography, what would you like to know from me. I would be happy to include this information to my tutorials. Now I'm waiting for the boat. I'm going to one of the Prince Islands, to one that I haven't been before. I want to explore it with my friend Dasha, and it's pretty hot. It's around 25 degrees. The whole station is full of people. I guess because now it's national holiday in Turkey and no one is working. This is what's happening when you're not using SPF.